Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make DIY paper ice cream. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a few sheets of colored paper, a good pair of scissors, and a reliable glue stick. For decoration, grab your favorite markers, crayons, or even some paint. If you want to add extra flair, consider glitter, small beads, or cotton balls for a fluffy topping. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and fun. Now, let's create the cone base for our delicious paper treat. Take a sheet of brown or tan paper and cut out a large semicircle. This will be the foundation of your cone. Carefully roll the semicircle into a cone shape, making sure the tip is nicely pointed. Once you have the desired form, secure the overlapping edge firmly with a glue stick or a small piece of tape. This ensures your cone holds its shape perfectly. Next up, let's craft the ice cream scoop. Choose a fun color for your flavor. Crumple a piece of paper into a loose ball. This will give your scoop some volume. Then take another piece of the same colored paper and carefully wrap it around the crumpled ball, shaping it into a smooth, rounded scoop. You can make it as big or small as you like. Now, get creative. Use markers to draw sprinkles or cut out a tiny red circle for a cherry on top. Finally, it's time to assemble and decorate your paper ice cream. Apply a generous amount of glue to the top rim of your paper cone. Then, gently place your beautifully crafted ice cream scoop onto the glued rim, pressing down firmly to ensure it's secure. Now for the best part, decorating. Add some glitter for sparkle or cut out a small paper flake to place on top. You can even draw a waffle pattern on the cone. Enjoy your unique handmade paper ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.